So here is one interesting case. So this female patient came to OPD with acute abdomen. There was history of RTA. CCT was advised, and on scrolling craniocaudally, here incidental ovoid lesion is seen in left breast. Okay, as I'm scrolling caudally, thorax, there is no evidence of any effusion. I can see fluid below diaphragm, around liver, around spleen, suggesting it's as ascites. As I'm scrolling down, I can see that the fluid is passing through paracolic gutters and has entered near the small bowel. It is passing through small bowel mesentery, and the fluid is more in the pelvic region around the uterus. We know that CT is not good modality to see uterus, because here in uterus I can see endometrial fluid. It may be the normal physiological menstrual changes going in female, so it's not that ideal modality. But as I'm scrolling in left adnexa, I can see well circumscribed fluid density lesion in left adnexa, suggesting it to be a cyst, and around it I am seeing a hyperdense area. Now this can be hyperdense area of a mass, or maybe a hematoma, and around it I can see something more hyperdense. So when UPT was advised, patient was positive for UPT, and retrospectively, because of the history, we came to conclusion that this is a case of ruptured ectopic, and this sentinel clot or a blood around this pathology is easily guiding us that this is the cause of it, and this was nothing but the hemoperitoneum. So entire thing was hemoperitoneum, and this was suspected to be ruptured ectopic. Thank you.